However, there seems to be an issue that has now been highlighted by the BJP so far. What is now coming across is Rahul Gandhi seems to be in the spotlight. What has now been pointed out where Rahul Gandhi is seen interacting with the people on ground, with the farmers there, while his attire is something that is now being questioned. A video that is now surfaced of him working in a field wearing socks. Now, the BJP has been quick to seize this opportunity to mock the Congress MP, questioning actually who does farming wearing socks. Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, who was meeting the Makhana farmers in Katihar as part of the ongoing Voter Adhikar Yatra, and this video that he's seen entering the pond with the farmers and interacting them while he's still wearing that white pair of socks. This is being questioned and is being mocked now by the BJP. Well, Rahul Gandhi there, who was seen during this interaction with the Makhana farmers in Bihar, where notably when we speak of Bihar, that contributes a lot of Makhana production in India, over 90% that is being said. But according to Rahul Gandhi, the farmers and the laborers who toil day and night under the scorching sun and also in rain do not even earn 1% of the profit, where he says that he met the farmers in their fields and learned about their struggles, and hence been saying that their hard work, the foundation of the entire industry that is being put by them, receive only a nominal price. But over his attire, especially wearing those white pair of socks, is something that has now been questioned and been mocked by the BJP. However, the Congress has also hit back at the BJP, now saying that the BJP seems to be making a mole out of a mountain, saying that the main issue needs to be addressed, not what Rahul Gandhi is wearing.
What Mr. Modi is doing. Rahul ji has been going to plumber, electrician, carpenter, scavengers, shoemakers, mingling with them, understanding their life, even showing the piety also, and all that. So he is grounded, and of course, which they cannot tolerate, and they're trying to find out something or other.
Well, this is how the BJP seems to be questioning Rahul Gandhi as far as not just when it comes to the Voter Adhikar Yatra, Tetri, which is currently underway, and expecting a briefing soon to happen as well. But over his attire and what he seems to be initiating as far as vote chori itself, the entire campaign has now been questioned by the BJP.
Well, as far as the campaign is concerned, yes, we have been talking this morning that how it is able to make some sound in the state of Bihar. People are talking about it, say it with the farmers, the upper class and the lower class as well. But the video that we are talking about, the BJP in fact says that the manner in which Rahul Gandhi has been talking about farmers, saying that more than 90% of the makhanas, in fact, that goes to the world is prepared here in the state of Bihar, but the farmers are deprived of the profit. They get very nominal margin in cities. It is sold at a rate of 1,000 and 1,500 rupees of kgs, but the farmers get minimum % of the profit. And he also in fact mentioned about how the backward class farmers, the Dalit farmers, and especially the SC and ST category farmers, they are deprived of the benefits and the profits, and that he also in fact indirectly made an attack on the government as well, that government is doing nothing for the farmers as well. So that was an attack coming in from Rahul Gandhi on the government, that government is not working for the farmers. And there we saw that BJP IT chief Amit Malviya, who tweeted out a video on social media X mentioning that Rahul Gandhi was wearing socks, and he in fact does not know that what is the basic thing when we go on ground, when we speak to the farmers, that the ground connect is missing, is what the BJP has been saying. But remember, Amita, this is not for the first time that we have been seeing that such kind of video from any of the political party has come to light. Earlier also we have been seeing, say it with the BJP or Congress party, there have been many political leaders as well, from chief ministers as well. There were videos that also in fact went viral where
Yes.
we could see that there was a there was a pond, there was a river, but then
Disconnect as far as when it comes to what is now been cited by the BJP with the actual issues on ground, and over what Rahul Gandhi seems to be wearing a pair of white socks to the fields where he's been interacting with the Makhana farmers is now being mocked by the political party. Tetri, appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast. Of course, with the Voter Adhikar rally that continues to